Google One Dark Web Monitoring is a useful feature to check breaches for email, name, phone number, and even social security number. In this video, we'll set it up and use it for the first time. So let's get into it. We'll set it up first. If you don't have the Google One app, install it from Google Play. This is the app, and on the home screen, you'll find this Dark Web Report option. You can check your Google account before setting it up from the top. Tap the Setup button. It will open a browser tab. If you're not logged in, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Then this will open. We'll see our email here. Also, we'll notice what this Dark Web Report will monitor. Users in the US can also add their social security number. Tap the blue Start Monitoring button. Now your email is being checked for old breaches and being monitored for new ones. You can check those options if you like to monitor your name, date of birth, and your phone number. I'll select all by tapping this Select All. Then tap the Allow button. Alright, all those have been added. The last security option is adding your address if you want to check that for breaches as well. Tap this Add Address button. Here, insert your details. I won't do that, so let's go back. Tap Done to finish the setup. Let's see how to check for breaches and see the suggestions. On this screen, we'll see how many breaches have been detected. Down the bottom, you'll see specific breach types. Tap this number to see all the email breaches. We can see Twitter, Teespring, Canva, and others with the breach date. You can filter by category from the top. Tap 1 to see the details. This record indicates that my email has been breached by Twitter. This section shows any other breached information connected to that account that I did not request to monitor. In this case, it says my name, which is of course different from what I requested to monitor. Down the bottom, you'll see some suggestions to protect your account. We can't change our email, so it suggests that I secure my Twitter account with two-factor authentication. If the breach data was my password, then it would have suggested to change that password. To see all the results, tap this button. Here you'll find unfiltered data. Now if you close Google One and reopen it, you'll see View instead of Setup. This means that Dark Web Report is monitoring your account. You can tap it to go to the same report page. We can also access this page on a desktop by going to one.google.com. Ensure you're logged in. Click the View button and see this page. The layout is slightly different, but it provides the same value. We can edit this monitoring profile on this page. Adding additional emails and phone numbers is possible. You'll need to verify those to add. I'll add my second email. It will send me a code that we'll copy and paste here. This email is being monitored now. If we go back, we'll see the updated record. It says 18 breaches instead of 17. So this was how to set up and use Google One Dark Web Report Monitoring. Thanks for watching and take care.